that guy just had some sexy time with a lovely lady that they deliver these days. I didn't know that. Did you know that? What's up, everybody? Down here in Maryland, fishing the Potomac River event this weekend. So me and my bro John are here pre-fishing. We just got in, just launched. Yeah, we had to travel down together because my car's in the shop. It's been in the shop for 2 weeks. It's gonna be in the shop until like the 20th. So sucks. Having a hard time getting parts and everything. So it's been in there for a bit. So I had to travel down with him, and I got to fish where he wants to fish. So hopefully it works out. Like I said, we're just pre-fishing. We've got 3 days to pre-fish. Hopefully we can get on some fish. We've been here for the past 2 years, but the first year was in June, last year was in May, and now here we are in early April. So it's definitely going to be a different bite. So hopefully we can find some. We'll see. Look at that. 15-inch. Not bad. What up?
Stop fishing that spot.
Why?
That's where I caught mine.
Both of them?
Are you fishing that little weird pool?
That, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, great. We both can't fish here during the tournament. Got anything to say? Pre-fishing stuff.
It wasn't terrible.
I caught 2 fish. John caught 2 fish, and we caught them on the same spot at different times. So we found one spot that produces fish, and we both found it. So that sucks. Bro.
I found it first.
No, it was my. I'm the one that said let's go to this spot. So I got equal dibs. So yeah. Was I filming up there? Anyway.
A musical chair.
Yeah. Hopefully we find something better, so we don't have to come back here. We'll see. Day 1, 2 fish each. Word.
What up?
Look at how good it looks.
Dude, what is going on?
Delicious.
Is there any
reality? Must have an Instagram filter on it. It's beautiful over here. Wear sunblock. I'm concerned for your safety.
It's only my face. I'm not putting chemicals in my face.
Why?
It's because I don't want to dry out my skin. My skin flora is beautiful.
You're already getting wrinkles. You can see them around your eyes. Right there. The two of them. Boom. See them?
No.
Oh, might have three.
You.
Ah, see, there they are. Bam. Oh man, there's a ton.
That's because I'm.
It's because you're always squinting out in the sun with no sunblock. Sunblock helps with the brightness of the sun.
Sunblock killed the Great Barrier Reef.
Who cares about the Great Barrier? It wasn't that great. It was just mediocre.
Have you ever been?
No.
Neither have I, because it's in Australia.
Seen photos.
And it looked awesome.
Yeah, it looked alright.
It killed the whole ecosystem.
Yeah, so what? How are we gonna justify calling out team fishermen? We're doing this. Sorry.
What the?
This is stupid. Why are you on my spot? I like how you gotta get within like 10 feet of the sign to read that it says stay back 2,500 feet.
Yeah.
Or you might explode. Thanks guys. Maybe put that out in the water.
2,500 feet, like.
Pretty far. Like a half mile?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that say? Boom. Dead. Fish. Big old fat one. All right, that's fine. That feels like a catfish. I think that's a catfish. Yep. Good one. Damn. That's probably what I had a minute ago. Well, this yak rod's finesse rod. Pretty damn good. Oh my God. Wow! That is a strong bite. Good Lord. I don't think that's a bass. God, these things are crazy. Good Lord. You think a pickerel's slimy? Jeez. These things are like covered in snot. It's just gross.
Why would I lie to you?
Dude, that was you doing like 30. Get out of here.
You're a... Dude, no.
There's no way that was 10. I did not know they delivered.
Who?
Logan.
It's only 22, bro. I was longer than I would have taken.
That guy just had some sexy time with a lovely lady that they deliver these days. I didn't know that. Did you know that? 2022. Prostitutes deliver. So this is day one, Potomac River KBF trail event. We've been here since Wednesday. Pre-fished 3 days, filmed 2. We had some pretty good pre-fishing. Caught some fish, found some good spots. We have a game plan going in today, but it is a community hole, so it's gonna get pounded. So hopefully we can catch fish. Hopefully they reload. That's what they say a tidal fishery does. Fish keep reloading. It's, you know, pre-spawn, they're coming in. So hopefully we can get on some good fish and make some money. We'll see what happens. Oh my God.
It's a good one, huh?
No, it's a snakehead. Trying to come out. That's crazy. Out of here. Oh, I'm covered in slime.
I think they came from China.
China? That's where the Wuhan virus came from. Wu-Tang virus.
Wu-Tang virus.
Well, that's disappointing, but fun. Well, John's in first. We're fishing the same area, throwing the same bait, and he's catching them and I'm not. Tell me how that works. Oh God. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. It's hard not to get discouraged when you are throwing the same bait as somebody else in the same area and he is catching them and you are not. So I know that's the bait that's working, but now I'm throwing all these other things because my confidence in that bait has disappeared. 85 inches and I don't even have a freaking bite. Same spot, same bait. What in the world? Not a clue, period. Same spot, same bait, period. I don't know what the hell's going on, period. Why are you saying I'm being mean? I said, listen, I said not a clue. I said not a clue. I didn't say find a clue. I got this on camera. I got it on camera. I did not say find a clue. No. I said not a clue. Please don't be a catfish. Just a little guy, but a fish at least. Fish. Oh my God. What is that? What am I doing? What kind of nonsense is this? Freaking carp. Thought I had a fish. I do. Just not the kind I wanted. Yeah, it's awesome. Catfish, snakehead, whatever the hell that was. One stinking bass. Fish? What is that? Oh my God. Come on. Look at that, nasty. Blech. Stinks disgusting. Blech. Ah. Jesus Christ. God. Figure out how to take a picture of this thing. I was trying.
That's a snakehead, though.
Yeah, I was trying to get a photo of it. They don't have those in Massachusetts.
That son of a gun earned his freedom.
Yeah. Oh well. We got it on video. Good one. Watch this be a monster bass. I doubt it. I don't even see it. Right. Well, that's a wrap on day one of the Potomac, and I did terrible. No excuses. Just got in my head. I got pissed off. Had something, and maybe I shouldn't have. I don't know. Right now, I feel like I had a good reason to be annoyed. And then, you know, you catch a carp. You think you have a bass on, you catch a carp. You know, you hook into something big, and it's a snakehead. So it stinks. And then I caught that giant snakehead at the end, and you know, I got out to take a picture of it, and the damn thing slithered out of the kayak. But right before it did that, I turned my camera up at a higher angle so I could get it on camera when I picked it up. So I didn't even really get that on camera, and that was just like another thing that just irritated me. And when you are irritated, you don't fish well. So I didn't fish well, and it sucks. But I got one fish. I'm gonna upload it here in a minute. 14 and a half, something like that. Garbage. I don't know, try to figure something out tomorrow, but don't think I'm going back to that same spot, because John is gonna obviously want to go on it because he placed second today, I think. So I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, but we'll try to figure something out and hopefully not have a bad day again, but we'll see. Already an improvement over yesterday by a 1/4 inch. Man, this trip has been a success. Just kidding. Just kidding. How about a midday update? This is, I think I got it now. I think this is when they do midday updates, when they're not going to show any footage because it's all garbage. So my day has been terrible. Made that long run, got there, and it was super shallow. Not really an issue with that, but I couldn't find the fish. I found one dink, which I thought was a 14.75 until I uploaded it, and then they dinged me down an inch because it was actually a 13.75. So I'm actually doing worse today than I did yesterday, but I'm in a better mood, so I guess that's something. Yeah, I don't know. It's a nice spot. I was standing up flipping, you know, grass, weeds, you know, that's on the surface, because the water's down so low because the tide, it's low tide right now. But I didn't get any bites, so I don't know what the deal is. It looks like it's a tough day for everybody because John had 2 fish right off the rip. and he hasn't had any since, unless he's uploaded in the past 30 minutes or whatever since I last looked. But these clouds rolled in, it got really cold, it got windy, so the fish have shut down. But again, it was slack tide, or low tide, so I think it's slack tide right now, or was, and now it should be coming back in. So hopefully the bite picks up for at least John, the people that were doing well that I know. Maybe me. I'd like to catch another fish. That might be nice. 2 fish in the tournament. Holy crap, that'd be sweet.